There are 3 types of Hajj, and one of them is Hajj Tamattu. After departing from the house, making the intention of Ihram for Umrah and then reciting Talbiyah or its substitute. Performing Umrah, that is, after performing Tawaf, Sa'i and head shaving or trimming coming out of Ihram. Wearing the Ihram for Hajj on the 8th of Zulhijjah or earlier and arriving in Mina and spending the night in Mina. Performing the major essential of Hajj, that is the stay in Arafah on the 9th of Zulhijjah. Arriving in Muzdalifah on the 10th of Zulhijjah after sunset and offering Maghrib and Isha prayers in Isha time. Pelting stones at Jamratul Aqaba, that is the big Satan, on the 10th of Zulhijjah. Sacrifice within the boundaries of Haram and removing Ihram after shaving or trimming the head. Tawafuz Ziyara, the second major essential of Hajj. It is wajib to perform it before sunset on the 12th of Zulhijjah. Performing Sa'i. Pelting stones at each Jamara on the 11th, 12th and under certain conditions on the 13th of Zulhijjah. Performing Tawaful Wada at the end and then
shagar shah karo za